need to pay multiple supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video right now and see how you can actually do it on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, 1688, Taoba, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. If you need to pay multiple supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Now, after you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, so the next thing you need to do is to search for different manufacturer using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app across China. Having searched for manufacturer that you want to pay for, next thing you need to do is to simply add the product to cart. After you are successful to add the product to cart, click on here to proceed to your profile, and it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to see all the products you have in your cart. So I'm going to click on here. Then we have all the products right here. So here, this is where you need to select the actual product that you want to simply pay for. I'm going to pay for this. I'm going to select on that. I'm paying for this. I'm going to select on that. I'm paying for this. And I'm also going to pay for this. And I'm going to pay for this. And then I'm paying for this. So I'm paying for about different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 supplier. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can also check on all the products right here. So just like what you see right here, I'm paying for all these particular products right here. Just like what you see. The next thing we want to do here is to make sure we had our delivery address from the top right here. And the next thing we want to do is to make sure we simply scroll down right here and we make sure we use Alipay. However, you can use different means of payments on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. You can use WeChat Pay, you can use MasterCard or Visa card, you can use Pay for Me Friend right here. But in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay, just like what you see right here, and it has been checked. Simply click on here and your Alipay is going to be selected. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payments. The next thing you need to do is to simply enter your payment password right here. Just like what you see right here, payment done successful. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. Done. And you can see the transaction alert right here and all the payment that we just paid for successful on Pinduoduo. You can see more transaction alerts are pumping up right here. It's that simple. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to close this bump up. Then we can simply go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products we just paid for is going to be found right here. Just like what you see right here. So I can click on here and all the 5 different products is going to be shown right here. If I go back to the dashboard right here, I click on this one right here, you're going to see all the 2 products right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to do bulk payment to any Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to teach you more about importation business from China, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.